The BC Supreme Court is hearing a charter challenge today. It's over whether publicly funded religious hospitals and healthcare facilities can refuse patients seeking medical assistance in dying. The CBC's Mark Carcassol is following this case for us. And so, Mark, what can you tell us?
Andrew, one of the main issues of this charter challenge is the idea of faith-based organizations which run hospitals in Vancouver. For example, in the suit, they cite Providence Healthcare, which runs 18 health facilities and hospitals in Vancouver. They are publicly funded, and the people bringing this charter challenge to the BC Supreme Court say if they're using public dollars, they should operate by the same rules as all other health facilities in the region. Case in point, the advocacy group Dying with Dignity Canada and a family of a woman named Sam O'Neill are bringing this forward, using Sam O'Neill's story as an example of this, because under BC provincial rules, organizations like Providence Healthcare can opt out of providing things like medical assistance in dying because it goes against their religious beliefs. They must forward a patient, send a patient who wants that to another facility. In Sam O'Neill's case, she was 34 years old, dying, suffering from stage 4 cancer. She was staying at St. Paul's Hospital in Vancouver, which is run by Providence Healthcare, again, a religion-based organization. They refused to do MAID for her, so she had to be moved to another facility. But that move, the family said, caused her immense pain. She had to be sedated, essentially made unconscious for that move. She never regained consciousness, was administered aid, and the family argues not only were Sam O'Neill's rights violated, but they never got to properly say goodbye to her before she passed away. Gay O'Neill, the mother of Sam O'Neill, spoke at a news conference today. She says that the BC government and health officials in the province are complicit in this.
This disregard for Sam's safety is contrary to their legal obligation to take reasonable action to prevent harm. The Government of British Columbia and the Vancouver Coastal Health aided Providence Healthcare's actions with a MAID policy that allows harm, and it pays for it with public tax dollars. We are here because we believe Sam's rights to freedom of religion and beliefs and her rights to life and liberty and security of person were violated.
Now, you heard Mrs. O'Neill mention the BC government and Vancouver Coastal Health because they are also named in this charter challenge. In court documents, Providence Health defends itself by saying it will send MAID, people who want MAID to other hospitals, because many people come to their facilities because they have a certain faith, and that faith does not believe in processes like MAID, and they do not want to be treated at facilities that provide MAID. So regardless, this starts today. This court challenge starts today. It'll go on for at least 4 weeks. It'll pick up again in April, and authorities expect that there will be some sort of answer, some sort of decision by late summer, early fall. The group bringing this charter challenge to the courts expects to win, and they say if they win, they do expect this to be a precedent that would be set across Canada.
Interesting. All right, Mark, thank you. CBC's Mark Carcassol.